very happy Sunday to you. I'm Sunneet and today we'll be discussing about combination skin. So in a combination skin, the main cause for combination skin is genetics. If your parents have combination skin, then you'll most probably be blessed with it. The other common cause for getting a combination skin is your wrong use of products. So if you like combination skin means your T-zone is oily. T-zone is forehead, nose and chin. So this area is oily and your cheeks can be either dry or normal. So in case you're using products for dry skin all over the face or oily skin all over the face, that could aggravate this condition. So the best thing to start with is ascertain your skin type and accordingly use products. Also, you may have to buy double products, different for oily skin which you use on the T-zone and different for dry or normal skin for your cheeks. So that is something you'll have to do. And secondly, I wanted to highlight that 60% of us have got combination skin. It's the most common skin type. So don't despair if you have one, it's very, very normal. So what you can do in terms of moisturizing your face if you have combination skin is aloe vera, that's the best bet. If you think aloe vera is not giving you enough moisture and you want something more, you can blend aloe vera and coconut oil. That is another good combination. 90% aloe vera and 10% coconut oil, and just blend it, make a lotion out of it and use it on your face, body, anywhere. That's very safe, very natural, and it will suit combination skin. If you have a lot of blackheads or whiteheads in the oily area of your face, on your forehead or your nose, the best way to get rid of them is exfoliation. So you could make a mask with a scrub rather with coarsely grounded oatmeal, honey, a pinch of turmeric, curd. Blend all these four items, make a paste, and especially your neck areas, your forehead, scrub with it, and then squeeze out the blackheads or whiteheads, whatever the case may be. Another thing I wanted to showcase today is oil cleansing, which suits all skin types. You can just change the base oils depending on your skin type. Otherwise, the method suits every skin type and it's the best cleansing method for the face. The chemistry behind it is that like attracts like. So all the toxins on the face are all the dead skin, it's all oil soluble. So with the oil medium, you can wipe off your face, you can cleanse your face and then remove all the toxins from it. So I'll just show it in a demonstration. The best combination you can use for this, which will again go for all skin types, is coconut oil and castor oil. You can mix in equal quantities, and I have here, this is sweet almond oil. This is what I use for myself. This is a blend of coconut and castor oils, and I've also added a few drops of lavender essential oil. So I have here 1 teaspoon of this blend, which has castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil and lavender essential oil. So I'm going to use this all over my face, massage it all over my face, and then use a hot towel post that. So this blend which we just made with 4 items, I'm just applying it on the face. Post application, I'll be giving myself a light massage. Also, don't neglect your or forget your neck area. Whatever you prepare for the face, please ensure to apply it on the neck as well. I'll now give myself a light massage. Post this, I get a hot towel and I wipe my face with it. So I've just got this hot towel. Any face towel, you can just put it in some warm water and then just put it all over your face. Leave it on till it is warm. For steaming your face, just wipe all the excess oil from the skin. Whatever your skin needs, it will be absorbed by the heat. The balance can be wiped off. This is the best method for cleansing the face, for removing any makeup from your skin. You must do it once daily. In the morning, you can apply either a face pack or a face scrub on your face. It can be oatmeal, besan, any seasonal fruit. Mangoes and oatmeal is a good combination for this season. And in the evening, do this face oil cleansing for your face. Your skin will love you and thank you. Do try this out and share your feedback in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a good day.